Your commute sucks. Fix it fast with Sony XAV-AX4000. Before traffic wins again. You're crawling through traffic again. Notifications are pinging, maps are glitching, your playlist is stuck on elevator music, and you're stabbing at a laggy screen like it's your enemy. Your factory stereo? Total garbage. You've got one eye on the road and one on your prehistoric dashboard, praying your phone doesn't die mid-commute. Sound familiar? Because modern driving shouldn't feel like piloting a 2001 flip phone. You're dealing with distraction, distortion, and just plain digital dysfunction. It's not just annoying, it's unsafe. Welcome to the mess that is your daily drive. This isn't just a mild inconvenience anymore. You're risking your sanity every time you try to change the song or answer a call without crashing into a mailbox. The stress is real. No voice control. No rear camera view. No idea where you're going because your GPS thinks you're still on that exit from 3 miles ago. Every drive feels like a boss battle. You've invested in a smartphone smarter than your car, and yet you're stuck with a dumb dashboard that's older than TikTok. You deserve better tech than this glorified cassette deck. Meet your new co-pilot. The Sony XAV-AX4000. This ain't your daddy's car stereo. We're talking wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that boots instantly, a gorgeous 6.95-inch anti-glare touchscreen you can actually see in daylight, and an audio setup that practically massages your eardrums. With a 14-band EQ, time alignment down to a literal centimeter, and Maestro compatibility that makes your factory car functions feel brand new, this unit doesn't just upgrade your dash, it upgrades your life. Safe, smart, sexy tech that makes every drive feel like a flex. Your car deserves a glow-up. So do you. From the second you start your engine, the XAV-AX4000 is on, thanks to Quick Wake Up. Just say the word and Siri or Google takes the wheel. Play bangers, make calls, get directions, or just bask in your audio heaven with crystal clear Bluetooth streaming at up to 3x the bitrate of standard junk. It's all sleek, simple, and satisfying AF. Hook up your rear cam for safer reversing. Customize wallpapers. Drive like a king, park like a ninja. This is what control feels like. And it's all just one tap away. No more fumbling. Just focused driving. Finally. Look, you're not buying a stereo, you're buying peace of mind on wheels. Your old head unit? Trash it. This is your moment to upgrade to something smarter, safer, and sexier. The Sony XAV-AX4000 is flying off shelves, and when stock runs dry, you're back to Bluetooth hell. Don't get left in the past. Join the thousands of drivers who've already made the switch and now rule the road with swagger. Grab yours today, install it this weekend, and drive like a legend by Monday. Click Add to Cart and leave laggy drives behind for good.